Focused on now on making sure you got the place to sleep, food to eat, helping you rebuild your lives, and Rolling Stone.
Yeah.
Dog. Come on, man.
Town of Rolling Stone will be back, and we'll be with you every step of the way. And what did I say? I said Rolling Fork, Rolling Stone. I got my mind going here.
Whoa.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Nothing we can do to heal the hole in your hearts left by the 13 people who passed, many of whom I met there for. Phyllis Maxey, Darryl Purvis, Linda Herman, Erica Moore, Brenda Odoms, April Johnson, Lavette Herman.
Oh, yeah. Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick. Boy, that's a thick-ass boy.
Are you stupid or something?
13 lives lost. I met a number of the families earlier today, Jill and I, my wife and I.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Good job.